1 baguette. Hello my dear friends, how are you? Please let me know in the comments what countries are you watching me from. 10-inch or 24 centimeters frying pan, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, arrange the baguette slices in this skillet. Six eggs, green onion, add green onion to eggs, 2 tomatoes, put tomatoes in a bowl. Season with salt and black pepper. Half cup or 100 grams sour cream. Mix well. Pour the egg mixture over the baguette. Cover and cook over medium-low heat. 2 ounces or 60 grams cheddar cheese. Transfer to the oven and broil for 4 to 5 minutes. Or if you don't want to use the oven, you can simply cover and cook until the cheese is melted, 3 to 4 minutes. Your support means everything to me. Please like, share and subscribe. Delicious. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.